Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to what many consider the best Honda CRV windshield wipers on the market. The AUTOBOO 3 wipers replacement set for the Honda CRV, specifically designed for models from 2017 to 2022. If you own a Honda CRV, you know how important it is to have reliable wipers that can handle all weather conditions. This set includes 3 wipers, 2 front blades measuring 26 inches and 17 inches, and a rear blade at 12 inches. This complete set ensures that every part of your windshield remains clear, providing you with optimal visibility when driving. The wipers are made from high-quality materials, including a durable stainless steel frame and robust rubber blades, engineered to deliver a smooth and quiet operation. The hard-molded frame also means you can expect enhanced durability, giving you confidence in their performance rain or shine. One of the standout features of these wipers is their easy installation process. Designed for a vehicle-specific fit, you can have these wipers mounted within minutes, allowing you to get back on the road quickly without hassle. The wipers not only perform well but are built to last, promising a long lifespan that matches the original equipment quality. In addition to function, these wipers are also aesthetically pleasing. They fit seamlessly with the design of your Honda CRV, ensuring that your vehicle remains looking sharp. Plus, with an impressive 4.5 out of 5-star rating from nearly 2,700 customers, it's clear that many Honda CRV owners trust these wipers to provide excellent performance. At a price of just $25.99, and with an option for Amazon Prime members to enjoy an even lower price, upgrading your windshield wipers to the AUTOBOO set is an affordable investment for your safety and convenience. Plus, the included 12-month warranty adds an extra layer of peace of mind, ensuring that you are covered in case of any issues. If you're ready to enhance your driving experience with top-notch visibility, head over to Amazon and check out the AUTOBOO 3 wipers replacement for your Honda CRV. Make the switch today and drive with confidence knowing you have the best windshield wipers at your service. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more product reviews and recommendations.